the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making easy vanilla cupcakes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of milk at room temperature. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients measured out. Next, what you want to do is get a bowl, and we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. We're going to add our flour, you're going to add your sugar, our baking powder, and our salt. Then we're going to combine that together. Once that's combined, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs in, our vanilla extract, and our softened butter. Next, you're going to go ahead and combine that. Then we're going to take our hand mixer and beat it. Okay guys, next you're going to take your hand mixer and combine all your ingredients together. Okay, next guys, once it's all combined, you're going to go ahead and pour your milk in. Then we're going to mix it again. Okay guys, this is what your batter should look like. And now all you want to do is go ahead and line your cupcake pans with cupcake liners. Then we're going to begin to fill them up. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees. Okay guys, the cupcakes are ready to go into the oven. We're going to bake them at 360 degrees for 20 minutes. See you then. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes and our cupcakes are out the oven. They're nice and golden. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how moist and fluffy they are. And they're delicious. Okay guys, so there you have it. Easy vanilla cupcakes. Now this was part 1. I hope you guys come back for part 2 where I show you how to make buttercream icing. So thank you guys for watching. Please come back and please subscribe and like and drop a comment. Don't be shy. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.